Have you ever noticed that after a cold, flu, bronchitis, pneumonia, or another respiratory illness, your breathing still does not feel the same? A short walk feels harder. Your chest may feel tight. Mucus lingers. Sleep is interrupted. And even though the illness may be improving, your lungs may still feel weak. But recovery does not happen by accident. Stronger lungs are rebuilt through small daily habits. Welcome to Helms Institute. In this video, we are looking at 10 respiratory disease recovery habits for stronger lungs. These habits are simple, practical, and lifestyle based. They include breathing exercises, clean air, hydration, plant-based nourishment, gentle movement, restorative sleep, stress management, mucus clearance, and immune support. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical care. If you are experiencing severe shortness of breath, chest pain, bluish lips, confusion, coughing blood, or worsening symptoms, please seek urgent medical attention. Now, let us begin with the first habit, gentle breathing. After respiratory illness, the lungs and breathing muscles may still be recovering. Gentle breathing exercises can help improve lung expansion and breathing efficiency. Try diaphragmatic breathing. Place one hand on the chest and one on your abdomen. Breathe in slowly through your nose and allow your abdomen to rise. Then exhale gently through pursed lips. Repeat for several minutes each day. Small breathing exercises practiced consistently can support recovery over time. Next, hydration. Hydration plays an important role in respiratory recovery. Drinking enough fluids helps keep mucus thinner and easier to clear from the airways. Water is usually the best choice. Warm herbal teas may also provide comfort. Aim for consistent hydration throughout the day. Clean air supports healing lungs. Irritants can slow recovery and worsen symptoms. Avoid tobacco smoke, vaping products, and unnecessary exposure to pollutants whenever possible. Open windows when appropriate and use air filtration if available. Every breath of cleaner air supports recovery. Recovery requires nutrients that support tissue repair and immune function. Focus on fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that supports overall health. A colorful plate often reflects a wide variety of beneficial nutrients. Physical activity may feel challenging after respiratory illness. Start slowly with gentle walking or other activities approved by your healthcare provider. Gradually increasing activity can help improve endurance and lung function. Listen to your body and progress at a safe pace. Sleep is when much of the body's repair and recovery takes place. Aim for consistent sleep and create a comfortable sleep environment. Good sleep supports immune function, energy levels, and overall recovery. Stress can affect breathing patterns and overall well-being. Gentle relaxation practices such as prayer or quiet reflection may help. A calmer mind often supports calmer breathing. Some respiratory illnesses leave lingering mucus in the airways. Follow your healthcare provider's recommendations for mucus clearance techniques. Proper hydration and breathing exercises may also help support mucus clearance. Recovery continues even after symptoms begin to improve. Healthy nutrition, sleep, physical activity, and stress management all contribute to immune health. Strong immune support helps the body recover and stay resilient. Every recovery journey is different. Follow the guidance provided by your healthcare team and attend recommended follow-up appointments. Consistency with healthy habits and medical recommendations can make a meaningful difference over time. Recovering from respiratory illness takes time, patience, and consistent daily care. Gentle breathing, hydration, clean air, nourishing foods, movement, sleep, stress management, mucus clearance, immune support, and medical follow-up can all contribute to stronger lungs. Before you go, make sure to download your free respiratory disease prevention PDF from Helms Institute. This helpful guide gives you simple educational information on respiratory conditions, natural home remedies, plant-based support, hydration, hydrotherapy, and lifestyle habits that can help you care for your lungs. Check the description below to visit helmsinstitute.org today and get your free download. Start supporting stronger lungs, one healthy habit at a time. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may benefit. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a healthy recovery.